station and space to ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Sandra Jones. This week, the crew unpacked and began science investigations that arrived on a cargo vehicle, and 2 astronauts are about to head out the space station hatch for a spacewalk. Last week, 4 tons of supplies and investigations arrived to the orbiting laboratory on the Northrop Grumman CRS-16 cargo craft, and the crew has been busy unpacking the vehicle and getting started on the science inside. One of those science experiments, the Cardinal Muscle Investigation, tests whether microgravity can be used as a research tool for understanding and treating muscle loss on Earth. Expedition 65 Commander Aki Hoshide worked this week on the cell gravasensing investigation, which studies how cells can detect gravity and changes in tension during spaceflight. The ring shear drop investigation studies the formation of potentially destructive protein clusters like those found in patients battling Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Ring shear drop uses the surface tension of the liquid specimens to act as the container for the experiment. To learn more about all of the science and research happening on the space station, follow us on Twitter at ISS_research. 2 astronauts will take a break from science to step out into the vacuum of space. On Tuesday, August 24th, JAXA astronaut and current space station commander Aki Hoshide and NASA astronaut Mark Vande Hei will suit up and venture outside the hatch. During the spacewalk, the duo will build and install a bracket that will be used to attach an ISS Rollout Solar Array, or IROSA, in a future spacewalk. Because of the size of the bracket, it is sent to space in pieces and assembled in microgravity, similar to how we put together furniture here on Earth. The crew will also swap out parts on the Floating Potential Measurement Unit to ensure it can provide readings for years to come. We'll be covering the entire spacewalk live on NASA TV, the agency's website, and the NASA app. Tune in beginning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to check it out. Also, be sure to watch our coverage of the upcoming launch of the SpaceX Cargo Resupply Vehicle, blasting off from Launch Pad 39A at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. CRS-23 is slated to launch on August 28th and will be packed full of supplies and science investigations with a ticket to the International Space Station. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.